The English language section in CLAT is not about advanced grammar rules or memorizing complex vocabulary lists, but about understanding comprehension, context, tone, inference, and typically you will receive a long passage of around 450 to 500 words, followed by multiple questions that test your ability to identify the central theme, author's tone, logical inference, vocabulary meaning in context, and sometimes structural analysis of argument. For example, suppose a passage discusses judicial activism and separation of powers. A question may ask what the author implies about the judiciary's expanding role, and you must read between the lines rather than choose an option based on guesswork. If the author uses cautious language, such as arguably or to some extent, it indicates a balanced tone rather than extreme criticism or praise. Another example could involve vocabulary, where the passage states that a government decision was arbitrary, and the question asks for the closest meaning. Here you must understand from context that arbitrary means unreasonable or random rather than simply different. Preparation strategy involves daily reading practice, especially editorials, because they improve comprehension speed and exposure to formal argumentative writing. Second, practice identifying thesis statement of each paragraph because most questions revolve around central idea. Third, learn elimination technique where you remove options that are extreme, irrelevant, or not supported by passage. Fourth, improve your vocabulary through contextual learning instead of memorizing dictionary definitions. A common mistake students make is reading the passage too quickly without understanding structure. Another mistake is assuming answer based on prior knowledge rather than passage content. Time allocation should be around 20 to 25 minutes. Practice time comprehension sets to increase speed and accuracy. English becomes a high scoring section when you develop calm reading habits and analytical thinking rather than rushing through questions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.